Okay, hi everyone. This is another really quick guitar lesson. Uptown Funk, the intro. It's dead easy, all in one string, all with one finger if you want to do it that way. And here we go. So you're going to play on the D string. That's the third one down. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to play with fret 0, so no fingers. 5 and 3. And it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. We'll have a quick look at the notation. You can see the numbers there, so we just say 1, 2, 3, and doom, 3, 4, dun 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 dun. All in one string, nice and easy. Let's have a look back at the guitar. So we start with the open D, one time, let a long ring, and then a quick one. 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, and you're back to the beginning. 1, let's go real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Okay, so just make sure you're holding the frets down nicely. On the 5, 3, and then open. Alright, that's it. That's how you play Uptown Funk. Have fun.